with another episode of Traveling, and today we are at the ElephantPooPooPaper Park, and they say that they take the ooh out of poo, and they are number 1 at number 2. So let's go. Okay, so we're following the poo trail, and then we're also going to learn how they take elephant poo and turn it into paper. Okay, so we've got horse poo. We've got elephant poo. We've got cow poo. Okay, so right now Kara's gonna smell the poo. Because it says smell me.
Are you okay?
Okay, so Dad's stirring up the poo.
Oh yeah!
Dunk you in.
That's about right.
How's it smell?
It's almost ready.
Okay, so we have a wide assortment and tons of poo here. Would anyone want to touch it?
Oh, you picked me. Okay, sure.
No, anyone can.
Okay, would anybody else like to touch the poo?
Yeah, I think you should do it.
Okay, then do it.
Okay. Here you can see I have a full basket of poo. See that? Can you get a close up?
Yep, I'm already zoomed in. It looks more like dirt than poo. Ew.
So tell us a little bit about what you're doing here.
So this is this poo ball, and this is a screen. So you kind of spread it out on the screen, and then you lift it up, and you put it out to dry, and it makes a sheet of paper.
Okay, so after spreading it around, we lift it out of the water, okay, and then we set it out here in the sun to dry. There it goes, and then it'll turn into a sheet of paper.
Okay, so once the paper is all dried in the sun, you pull it off of the little sheet, and then we have paper. Okay, so as the final product, they have the paper, and then they turn it into many things, such as bookmarks, journals, and other stuff. There's a station over here where we can make something. Okay, so Mom's making a greeting card.
Keep it.
So, can we see the final project?
Yeah. So we have 2 cards we're gonna send home, and I love poo. And I love.
Hope you guys all enjoyed this amazing episode of Traveling. We had loads of fun, and stay tuned for more amazing episodes. You do not want to make paper out of that one.